Hello everybody, I hope you will be fine. In this video, I am going to tell you the most important and the most efficient way to complete the last step or the 9th step in Fi network. Most of the time, people are successfully asking me how to complete the 9th step or the last step in Fi network. And they are concerned about this, how to complete this step. And also they are searching in Google, in YouTube, but they didn't find any way. In this video, I am going to tell you everything step by step. Then please watch this video carefully, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video. First, we should keep going on the mining section. Every day in 24 hours, we should come back to our Fi network, and then we should keep active the mining section to complete the last step or the 9th step in Fi network, this step. And then come back to Google and search about Fi network customer support email. Click on this or search about this and click the first website, Fi network. Then we should fill this information with correct information. We should fill these Fi username, subject, description, in attachment. We should share the screenshot that we have a problem in the 9th step. First, I will write username, and also in subject we should write assistance with Mainnet migration. In description, I will put one context in the video description and also in my free Telegram channel. We should copy this and then come back to Google and paste there. And after that, we should come back to Fi network and take a screenshot that we have problem in 9th step, and then come back to Google again and click on browser, click on this, then select the screenshot. After that, the screenshot will upload. We will wait a little bit for uploading screenshot. After uploading screenshot, click on send. Click on send. After that, we will wait 24 hours to complete the last step or the 9th step in Fi network. This is the easy way to share your problem with Fi network team. After that, they will review on our problem and they will respond to our problem. Thanks for your watching. Like and share our videos.